Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of 3D printing? Today, we're going to explore we can start your very own 3D printing business in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. Before you invest in equipment, take some time to research the market. What products are in demand? Do you want to create custom items, prototypes for businesses, or unique art pieces? Finding your niche will help you stand out in a competitive market. Next, you need the right equipment. Depending on your niche, you'll need the right printer and materials. Entry-level printers are great for beginners, while more advanced models can handle high-quality prints. Don't forget to factor in costs for filament, maintenance, and any software you might need. Now it's time to master the design software. Familiarize yourself with popular design software like Blender, Tinkercad, or Fusion 360. The better you are at designing, the more unique your products will be. And don't forget to check out free online resources to sharpen your skills. You've got your equipment, you've done your market research, and now it's time to build your brand. Create an eye-catching logo, set up a professional website, and establish your social media presence. Share your journey, showcase your prints, and engage with potential customers. Building a brand that resonates with your audience is key to standing out. Once you've established your brand and honed your 3D printing skills, it's time to set up your sales channels. Decide where you want to sell your products. Options include online marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon, social media platforms, or your own website. Make sure to consider shipping options and costs in your pricing strategy. Now that you've set up your sales channels, it's time to market your business. Utilize social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO strategies to get the word out. Share videos of your printing process, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes content to create buzz around your brand. And there you have it, 6 essential steps to kickstart your 3D printing business. Remember, passion and perseverance are essential. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Now let's get printing. Don't forget to check out our website for more side hustle inspiration and tips on turning your passions into profit. Thanks for watching and happy printing!